Hello, students. A very good morning. Raj Verma, good morning. Tripura, good morning. I hope you had a great day yesterday and had a great morning today. So, today again, we join for our live session from Career 360. Students, as we know, in these difficult days of lockdown, your preparation is little bit hampered because of offline coaching getting closed. So here we are to help you out. Careers 360 has brought mega revision marathon free live sessions. So we basically aim to revise the JEE Main topics, and we basically aim to assist you in your preparation rather than hampering you in your POA, plan of action. We try to assist you to give the extra edge to you for your preparation. So let's go ahead without wasting further time. I hope yesterday lecture you attended on differential equations theoretical portion. So now today we are going to do lots of examples on differential equations. All set to begin? Yes, can we begin? Yes, let's begin. Without getting your further node, I'm beginning. I'm all set to begin. This is, excuse me, this is Victor's. Uh, just a moment, technical, technical people. Can you look at this side? Just wait a moment, students. Just wait a moment. I'll get back in a moment. So, yes, good morning, Senthil. Good morning, Nitendra Kumar Sahu. Yes, Ashit Shikhar, a very good morning. So, students, I think uh, today you are all set to go for differential equations. Hmm? So, please understand one very important point that in differential equation, yeah, Yes. Yes, students. So I hope you are doing good in your preparation. I'll suggest you that you have to be, yes, Shreya, hello, Somrik, yes. So Rashmi, okay, Jatin Raj, Tarun. So what we are supposed to do is that uh, I want to give you certain tips. Number one tip. Hello, students. Number one tip I wanted to share with you is that every morning, every morning, you, whenever you wake up, or even not only even in the morning, even at any point of time in the whole day, whenever you find comfortable, you whenever you find comfortable, you should, you know, try to meditate a little. I mean, visualize rather than meditation. I want you to visualize. And what visualization you have to do? You have to think about your career. You have to think that you have succeeded. That means you have to create and imagine that you are successful in JEE Main. Okay? Jatin, just a moment it will take. Huh? Now, so I was just finishing this talk. I wanted to tell you that you should go into visualization and imagination exercise. This was emphasized upon your success. Okay, let's get back to differential equations now, students. So, differential equations, no, no, sorry, I am again got it wrong. Yeah, student, there's a bit of problem. So I was talking about that. I was talking about that you have to visualize success. Once you visualize, you actually actually achieve it. That's what you have to do. Okay, so you have to visualize success, and then you are able to get it. So that is one of the most prominent exercise I wish students you should continue with. So I would suggest sit cross-legged, sit cross-legged, or at least your spine should be straight. Okay, your spine should be straight, and then you close your eyes, start imagining that you have entered the college of your choice. You are studying in a big room. In front a professor is speaking, who is who is actually delivering lecture, and you should have a feeling that your your aim has been fulfilled. Okay, your aim has been fulfilled, and your dreams which you always saw in your life, they are fulfilled. Okay, so you start visualizing, you start imagining. So that is what you need to do, and this is the power of belief. That's what you need to do. Okay. So you have to start visualizing your success. And as some great person has said, many people have said that whatever you start believing, whatever you start imagining, whatever you start believing, you you know that is actually that actually start happening. Okay. So now, students, let's get back to the studies. Okay. Yeah, Harsh, it's very relaxing. Yeah, great. Thanks, Harsh. Okay. Now, uh, so that is one of the exercise. It is very, very important. You have to do that. Second thing which I want you to do is concentration exercise. I find many of your students. Thank you, Snigdha. Yeah, it. Thank you for your appreciation. Second thing is every day you have to do a little exercise, concentration exercise. Okay. And what is that concentration exercise? Actually, I find so many of my students who are not uh, good at concentration. They are unable to retain whatever they are studying. They are unable to recall whenever it is required. So in such a case, what you have to do is that a small concentration exercise would help. What is that? You start adding 17 to again 17 add, then again 17 add. You go on multiplying, adding. Okay. This actually helps. Mathematics is one of that subject which helps you improving upon your concentration, and that will also even help you in your mathematical skills as well. That will improve upon your concentration a lot. Okay. Yes, Tripura, it really helps. Okay, thanks. So this way you can improve upon your concentration every time when you sit for your uh, daily whatever you do in your studies. You start with a 5 minutes calculation exercise, and that would help even in your chemistry and your physics calculations as well. Okay, because I know that in chemistry and physics a lot of calculations come in. Yes, Jatin, you agree, huh? Yeah, that was the second thing. Third thing, beta. Third thing is, students, listen. Whenever you study a theoretical part in physics or chemistry, especially, okay, you suppose you are reading NCRT. Let's talk about some of the topic you have read. Let's say Raoult's law or ideal or that colligative properties you have read. Okay, then thereafter you have to teach. Okay, once you teach, you feel very good. Okay, so now let's begin. Okay, let's begin with differential equation, and we'll go quickly ahead. So look at this slide. Are you able to look at it? So this way, because what I really want to tell you is that unless and until you you are able to teach a concept to a person, you're not sure that you understand each and everything part of it. Okay, let's get back to differential equation. Okay, students, let's begin the day. So we have an equation like x dy by dx plus 2y is equal to x squared with an initial boundary condition that at x equal to 1, y is equal to 1. Okay, so go ahead solving it, students. I'm waiting for an answer. Ashmit, a very good morning. So let's go ahead with the solving of this equation. What sort of equation this is? Can somebody answer me? Yes, anybody who can connect with me, what sort of equation this is? Is it variable separable form? Is it homogeneous form? What it is? C. Raj Verma C. Dilip C. Galaxy 005 linear differential equation. Perfect. Rashmi Soni, perfect. It's a linear differential equation. But it this doesn't seems to look like, because x is here. So we'll have to prune it a little. So how will we do it? We'll write it. Yes, Lakshmi Menon, linear differential equation. Perfect. Snigdha C. So we'll divide it by x. Huh? We'll divide it by x, the whole equation. I'll get dy by dx plus 2y by x is equal to x. Am I right? Now, the integrating factor would be e raised to power whatever is this function px. Px is 1 by x. Am I right? 1 by x, and 2 also is there. That also I'll have to include. So into 2 dx. So what this would be? Integral of 1 by x is ln of x. So 2 ln of x. So that would be e raised to power ln of x square. Now this would be x square only. This is the property of log. So x square I get as the integrating factor. What would be the solution? Y into integrating factor, that is x square, is equal to integral, the integrating factor, that is x square, and the function qx, that is x dx plus c. Am I right? So y x square, that's equal to, this is x cube, the integral would be x4 by 4 plus c. Now I'll make use of the initial value, in the values given to me, assigned to me. At x equal to 1, y is equal to 1. So what do I get? I get 1 is equal to 1 by 4 plus c. So basically I'm getting c as 3 by 4. So what do I get? I'll put it back. So the solution would become x4 by 4 plus 3 by 4. Is it right? So finally, if I divide the whole equation by x square, so y would be on one side, because here all the answers I'm getting y. So x square by 4 plus 3 by 4 x square. That would be the right answer. Okay? Okay, students? So this gives me which answer, students? Option C. Isn't that right? So all the students who got C as your answer, claps. Yes, that's great. And the students who got it wrong, no problem. Go ahead with full zeal for the next question. Okay? Come on, with full enthusiasm, we need to go ahead. Can I go to the next question? Yes, students. Yes, Srujan. Next question. Okay. Next question, let us look at this. It is cos x dy by dx minus y sin x is equal to 6x. There is an interval given, that's the first quadrant, and you have been given y is equal to, y pi by 3 is equal to 0. So y pi by 6 is what? So yes, students, Achha Shekhar. Okay, I've gone to the next question. Now solve it. What is this? Again, you find it what? What type of equation? What type of equation do you find it? It's again a linear differential equation, huh? Perhaps yes or perhaps no. Yes, Sanskriti Mishra, linear differential equation. You got the answer as D. Okay, D. Sanskriti, would you like to again check your calculations? Snigdha, yes, linear differential equation. Chinmaya Joshi, linear differential equation. Perfect. Sanskriti, would you like to check your calculations once again? Jatin, D you are getting. Divide by cos x. Okay. Akshay Shikhar D. Jatin D. Senthil Kumar C. Okay. Okay. I might be little wrong, I think. Yeah. So which answer are you getting? D. Rashmi Soni C. Okay. Let's have a look at it. Okay. Now I'll divide it by cos x, no doubt. So I'll get dy by dx minus y tan x. है ना? So who was giving me? Okay, the answer D, C, B, and A. Please check your answers once again, because once the answer is gone, it is gone. है ना? So 6x, and as I divide by cos x, I get secant x. Am I right? Now, integrating factor, what it would be? It would be E integral minus tan x dx. So what it would be? E minus of ln of x, ln of cos x. So it will become plus ln of cos x. Am I right? So this would be cos x itself. Is it okay? Now, once I get the integrating factor, I write the solution y cos x is equal to integral cos x into 6x secant x dx plus c. So cos x and secant gets cancelled. Yeah, Satyashikhar, you realize your mistake. So y cos x is equal to 6x integral I'll do. That would be 6x square by 2. Is it okay? So I get 2, 3 just 6 and c is there. To get the value of c, y pi by 3 is 0. I mean x equal to pi by 3, y is 0. So when y is 0, I put here I get 0 and here I get 3. And instead of x, I need to put pi by 3. So it would be pi by 3 whole square. So what c I'm going to get? C I'll get 3. One of the 3 would be cancelled with it. So it would be minus pi square by 3. Am I right? So minus pi square by 3 you will get. And the solution would become y is equal to cos x is equal to 3x square. Am I right? And minus pi square by 3. Now what is being asked? Yes, Krishnaveni, it is also linear. So 3x square minus pi square by 3. Now what is being asked? Y pi by 6. That means at x equal to pi by 6, what do we get? When we put pi by 6, we get y root 3 by 2 is equal to, here when I'll get 3 pi by 6 whole square minus pi square by 3. Okay. Now if I solve it, what do I get? I finally get y is equal to, let me write y is equal to, I'll get 3 pi by 6 whole square minus pi square by 3 upon root 3 by 2. Isn't this right? So when I calculate, I get minus 3 pi square by 12 upon root 3 by 2. A little bit of solving, huh? Saran, you want me to explain what? Second step after integrating factor. After integrating factor, second step. The second step, if you remember, yesterday we learned that the solution of linear differential equation is y into integrating factor into qx dx plus c. So here qx is 6x secant x and integrating factor we calculated cos x. Okay, Chinmaya Joshi, can you understand it now? So when we cancel it, 2 6 are 12 and 3 2 are 6 and so on and so forth, we get our answer as minus pi square by 2 root 3. 2 will come down and minus pi square by 2 root 3. So what is that answer? That is the third one. Is it okay? Fifth line, one more explain. Okay. Raj, fifth line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This I just have put this value when x is equal to pi by 3, I'll put when x equal to pi by 3, y is 0. So when y is 0, this I get as 0. And here I put x as pi by 3. So I put a whole square here and c. And when I solve it, 9 I get here in the denominator, which I cancel by 3. So pi square by 3 I get. So c ultimately I get minus pi square by 3 is equal to c. Okay? I hope you understand, Raj Verma. Raj only was asking. No, who was asking? Chinmay? Okay, you also understand. Can we go to the next question? Huh? Yes, students? Can we go to the next question? Yes, all set for the next question? Let's go ahead. So, what do we have here? We have dy by dx plus 3 by cos square x y is equal to 1 by cos square x. And the interval is given. And then again, the same kind of question which we did the last, that is y minus pi by 4 is being asked. Okay? So, how would you do this? So, let's, what is this? Again a linear differential equation, huh students? Okay, let this be the last example for linear differential equation. I think by now you should practice it enough. We have practiced it enough. Okay? So, go ahead students. Yes. Now, by now you have learned the formula. So we quickly finish this. I'm waiting for your answers. Students. Yes, Kanagavil, it is linear differential equation. Okay, I'm waiting for the answers. Give me the answers quickly. Okay. Yes. No answers yet. Nobody could solve it. Huh? Tell me what the answer is. It's simply a linear differential equation. So, Senthil Kumar, you are getting C as your answer. Okay. C. Senthil, would you like to check again your calculation? Dilip, D you are getting. Raj Verma, A you are getting. Okay. Who else is going to give me the answer? Rashmi Soni, A. Okay. Who else? Okay. Let's have a look. So integrating factor here, it would be integral, e raised to power integral p. P is 3 secant square x. Am I right? Because 1 by cos square x, I'll write it as secant square x. So what it would be, e 3 secant square x integration is tan x. Okay, this would be the integrating factor. Sanjay, you are getting D. Lakshmi Menon, A and D are same. Actually, D is 3 plus e raised to power x. It's like this. Okay, D is like this. No, Sanjay, same answer is not repeated. Actually, they mean 1 upon 3 plus e raised to power 6. That's why. Okay, Gyanvi? Would you like to change your answer? Okay, then what is our answer? Y into integrating factor, that is e raised to power 3 tan x, is equal to integral integrating factor e raised to power 3 tan x into the qx function, that is secant square x dx plus c. So here tan x would be considered as t. So tan x derivative is secant square x. So I'll straight away integrate. I hope you will be able to understand, the students. It will be 1 by 3 I'll get, obviously, because 3 tan x on differentiation will give me 3 as its coefficient plus c. Is it okay, students? Okay, Jaya Kumari, you are getting A, Ashit Shikhar A, Yes. So let's see. 3 tan x. Now, when I substitute what? Pi by 4. What do I get? Y e raised to power 3. Tan pi by 4 is 1 only. And here y I am getting 4 by 3. है ना? So instead of y, I'll write 4 by 3. And instead of x, I'll write pi by 4. So 1 by 3 e cube plus c. So from here I can get the value of c. That is, c will be equal to 1 by 3 will be subtracted here by 4 by 3 e cube. So I'll get e cube. Am I right? So our answer would be minus, when I put f y minus pi by 4, what I'll get? Minus 3. So I'll get y is to be calculated e raised to power minus 3. Am I right? Snigdha, what happened to the secant square x in the third step? Beta, I differentiated it. Tan x I'll take it as t. The whole tan x as t, so secant square x dx would become dt. So it would become e3t dt. And that would give me this straight away. I hope this is okay, Snigdha. Yes, Chenmay Joshi, can you understand the third step now? Tan x as t, so this would become dt, secant square x dx. So the integral would finally come to e raised to power 3t dt. And that can be finally done. Okay, Snigdha, you got? Okay. Now, e raised to power minus 3 is equal to 1 by 3 e raised to power minus 3 and c is e raised to power 3. Now finally when I'll solve it, I get e raised to power minus 3, I'll divide it, the whole equation. So I'll get y here on the left hand side. Here I'll get 1 by 3 and here I'll get e raised to power 6. So that is a part. Okay. So that is the correct one. I hope everybody understand. Yes, Chenmay Joshi, you also understood. Very good. Now we go on to the next question. So the next question being, okay, yes. For x is equal to 1, just a moment, I think I have taken a slide upside. Yeah, this one. Okay, this one, right. Fx from 0 to 1 to r be such that fxy, please read this question properly, okay, it's a lengthy question, so please read it properly and see how would you do this. Okay, f 0 to 1 to r, that means the domain of the function is from 0 to 1 and the codomain is r. What? Fx into y is equal to fx into fy for all xy belonging to 0 to 1. Okay, so why we are not calling it as an independent variable? F0 is not equal to 0. Okay, if y is equal to yx, so y basically means y is a function of x only, satisfies the differential equation. This is the next line in fact. If y is equal to yx satisfies the differential equation dy by dx is equal to fx with y0 as 1, then y1 by 4, y3 by 4 is equal to. Okay, how would we do this? Yes, students, I am giving you time. Go ahead solving this question. So there are a lot of information. I would suggest you, student, to mark whatever are the key words or key phrases. So in that case, you will not miss any important information mentioned in the question. Raj Verma, you are getting B as your answer. Would you like to check your calculation again, Raj? Okay. Who else will give me the answer? Yes, so students, I'm waiting to hear from you. Rashmi Soni, you are getting D. Okay. Who else? Who else is going to give me an answer? Ashikhar A. 1 minute. Okay, Raj Verma, check the answer. Krishnaveni, you're getting D. Okay. Ashikhar A. You already said. Who else? Yes, I want Sanskriti Mishra A. Okay. Sujan D. Dilip A. Jatin A. Kumara Smith A. Okay. Let's see. Look at this question. We'll do it. First of all, let us put, we are given for all x, y, 0 and 1 are inclusive, है ना? And this is the equation which is given to us. So what we do, we put y is equal to 0 in this equation. And let's see what do we get. Yes, Krishnaveni? Yes. Let's check the answer. So it would be fx into 0, okay, is equal to fx into f0. Am I right? Now, since this becomes f0, f0 is not equal to 0, so I can cancel it. So what do I get? I get fx is equal to 1. Am I right? Fx I get as 1. So this equation, which is the differential equation given to me, it is dy by dx equal to 1. Am I right? Now I can integrate it. It's simple integration only. Dy is equal to dx, integral both sides, and plus c. So I'll get y is equal to x plus c. Is it okay, students? Now, yeah, Raj, you're right now. It is A. So at what? Y0, I mean x equal to 0, y is 1. So y is 1, x equal to 0 plus c. At x equal to 0, y is equal to 1. So what do I get? I get c is equal to 1. So what is the function? Y is equal to x plus 1. Am I right? Now y 1 by 4 and y 3 by 4 is required. So that is 1 by 4 plus 1 plus 3 by 4 plus 1. Okay, 3 by 4 and 1 by 4 adds to 1. So I get 3 as my answer. Is it okay, students? Yes. So that's the A answer. I hope everybody understood this. Let's go to the next question. Shall I? Shall I go to the next question, students? Can you reply me? Yes, students. Hello. Can we go to the next question? Yes, Sanjay, Shikhar. Okay, we go to the next question. So what is that? For x greater than 0, we have been given an exponential equation. 2x raised to power 2y is equal to 4 into e raised to power 2x minus 2y. Are you able to see this? This is 2e, the power of e is 2x minus 2y. I hope there is no confusion in this. This is 2x minus 2y. Okay. Meenakshi, you are asking about the second step. In the previous question you are saying, huh? Yes, Jatin, I am getting the chats little late. Of course, 10-15 seconds difference is there. Meenakshi, second step. I mean, dy is equal to dx plus c was there. I think you can look at the offline video, है ना? You'll be able to understand. Yes, Meenakshi? Because now I'll not be able to go to the back slide. So, okay. Meenakshi, yes, okay, thank you. Lakshmi Menon, you got the answer as A. Lakshmi Menon, would you like to again try it? Huh? Please try it again. See if you have done any calculation error. Raj Verma, you are saying it's not looking. What does it mean? A. Raj Verma, you are getting A. Kanagavel, A. Everybody is getting an A answer. Okay. Let me have a look. Krishnaveni, you are also getting A as your answer. So what I do, I take log to the base E both sides. That means ln I take. So it becomes 2y ln of 2x. Okay. The power will go outside the log term. Rashmi Soni, you are getting D. Huh? You changed. Okay. So here I'll get ln of 4 because 4 would be separated, and then I'll have ln of e raised to power 2x minus 2y. Am I right? So I'll get 2y ln of 2x is equal to ln of 4. Ln of 4 can be written as 2 ln of 2 plus 2x minus 2y ln of e. Ln of e is nothing but 1. Am I right? Yes, Lakshmi Menon. D, yes, you're right. You caught your mistake. D is the correct answer. Ashit Shikhar, D you are getting. Rashmi, what answer you are going to give me? So here what do we get? We get 2 I can take common and cancel. So I get y ln of 2x is equal to ln of 2 plus x minus y. Is it okay, students? So y I'll separate. So I get y ln of 2x plus 1 is equal to ln of 2 plus x. So this I'll take it. Yes, Krishnaveni. Y I'll get on the left hand side ln of 2 plus x upon ln of 2x plus 1. Is it okay, students? Yeah. Yes, Krishnaveni. It was a bit of mistake. So then I differentiate. I was being asked dy by dx and 1 plus log x 2x to the base e whole square. Huh? So I take dy by dx both sides. So right hand side I'll have to differentiate by u by v rule. Yes, Kanagavel, you also did a mistake. Yes, it's D. Perfect. So what do I get here? Ln of 2x plus 1 denominator into derivative of numerator. Ln of 2 derivative is 0, x derivative is 1 minus the numerator ln of 2 plus x and differential of the denominator. So 1 by 2x derivative would be 1 by 2x into 2. Because derivative of 2x will fetch me 2 and derivative of 1 is 0. So this is what I'll get divided by denominator is square ln of 2x plus 1 whole square. So you got it right, Galaxy 005. So what do we get finally? We get ln of 2x plus 1 whole square into dy by dx. That is the left hand side of what is required, and this is equal to whatever is left, that is would be our answer. So that is ln 1 I'll multiply, so I'll get ln of 2x plus 1. Okay, and here 2 and 2 would be cancelled, so I'll get ln of 2x plus 1, and here I get ln of 2 plus x divided by x. Okay, so divided by x I'll get, so this would eventually x upon x and this 1 would cancel. So what do I get? Ln of 2x into x, because this x will get multiplied here, minus ln of 2 minus x upon x. And this x was also there. I did a mistake. So this x will cancel with this x. I hope you understand. I shall rub it. Because there should be no confusion at all. So here, when I take the LCM, I get x ln 2x plus x, है ना? And this bracket I'll write minus ln 2 minus x. So this x and this x would cancel. This would be the remaining thing. This is nothing but d part. Am I right? Sanskruti, how you're getting C beta? You're finally getting D as our answer. Okay. I hope students you understood. Yes, students. I think you are able to get it. So let us move on to the next question. Hello. Yes. Get back to your energy. Energy levels fully filled. Okay. Let's go ahead with the next question. So what do we have here? We have y is equal to yx be a solution of the differential equation. What sort of differential equation we have been given? Okay, under root 1 minus x square dy by dx plus under root 1 minus y square is equal to 0. And mod x, of course, it has to be less than 1. So y half is equal to root 3 by 2. Then y minus 1 by root 2 is equal to. That's what we are supposed to do. How much questions remaining? I think we'll do 4-5 questions more. Okay, Hardik. Yes, Rashmi. Hi, Josh. Good. Go ahead with the solving of this question. Variable separable form. Perfect, Sanskruti. Kanagavel, 4 questions are left, I think. And somebody else also asked me previously that how many questions are left. So I couldn't answer at that time. There are 4 questions remaining. So Ashmit D, Rashmit Soni B. Rashmi Soni, B is your answer. Huh? All of you who are giving me answer right now, can you again check your calculations? Are you doing some calculation error? Please look into your calculations. Okay. So let's see what we can do with this question. Anybody else who's giving me an answer? So it is simple only. Only calculation mistake. Previous question, can't we apply log instead of ln? Log you can apply, but then to the base e you have to make. And if you are applying log to any other base, let's say 10, then the derivative of log x to the base 10 will unnecessarily involve log x 10 to the base e. This will come everywhere. So what is the use of this? Achashikha C, Sanjay A, Rajvama A. Rashmi Soni, it's A. You're getting A as your answer, beta. Dilip C, Ashashikha C. Okay. Let's check this out. I hope I answered Senthil. Log 10 is 1. No, log 10 is not 1. Log 10 to the base e it would come. Dekho, you have to understand differentiation of log x to the base a. A is any number other than e. It is 1 by x ln of a. The derivative is this. Okay. Krishnaveni, A you are getting. Okay, let's check this out. dy by dx is equal to minus under root 1 minus y square upon under root 1 minus x square. Am I right? So now it is easier to see that it's a variable separable form. Under root 1 minus y square, I'll take it on the left hand side. Under root 1 minus y square, and I'll have dy. Here I'll have minus and dx upon under root 1 minus x square. Is it okay? Plus c. Now this is sine inverse y. This is minus sine inverse x plus c. Let's check this out. When I put x equal to half, what I am getting? Root 3 by 2. So y is root 3 by 2. So sine inverse root 3 by 2, and this is minus sine inverse half. Okay, tell me what is sine inverse root 3 by 2? This is 60 degree, I'm in pi by 3, and minus sine inverse half, this is minus pi by 6. Sine inverse half is pi by 6. So what C I'm going to get? C I'm getting pi by 9. Oh, pi by pi by 2. 90 degree I wanted to say. Tarun? Yeah, you missed the class. Yes, Tarun. Most welcome. Still we are going to have 3-4 questions. So C is equal to pi by 2 we are going to get. So what I get here, sine inverse y is equal to pi by 2 minus sine inverse x. Can somebody answer me what is pi by 2 minus sine inverse x? That is cos inverse x. Okay. Now I go to the next page. Next page, I'm in the what I'm going to find, y minus 1 by root 2. So I get here y. This was the last step which we were doing. Sine inverse y is equal to pi by 2 minus sine inverse x. I wrote it as cos inverse x. Isn't that right? So y would be equal to what? Sine cos inverse x. Because everything. Okay. Now when I get this, I want y 1 by root 2. Y 1 by root 2 means instead of x, I'll put 1 by root 2. So sine cos inverse 1 by root 2. What do you get? You get sine pi by 4. Cos inverse 1 by root 2 is pi by 4. You get sine pi by 4. And sine pi by 4 is 1 by root 2 itself. So 1 by root 2 is the right answer. Okay, students? So 1 by root 2 was, if I'm not wrong, that was C. है ना? That was C. Option C. We are going to get. That is C. I hope everybody understand. Yes. So C is the right answer. Okay. Now let us move on to the next question. Can I? Priyanshu Raj, you're getting C. Okay. So can I move on to the next question? Yes, student. Do I get a note from you? Okay, Ashit Shekhar, Sanjay. So differential equation of the family of curves. You have to form the differential equation of this family of curves. Okay. X square is equal to 4b y plus b. So go ahead, students. Sanjay, yeah, go ahead with this question. So what would be the order of this equation? Yesterday we revised that. Can somebody tell me what would be the order of this equation? Will it be 1? Will it be 2? Tarun, A you are getting. Okay. Tarun, again you did, you will like, I would advise you to check your calculation. You give a very quick answer, that's good only, but then sometimes a mistake can be done. Okay. Hardik Jain, let's go. What happened? So Krishna Meni, Hardik Jain, B. Okay, you're getting B. Sanskriti 2, that is B. And then Tarun 0 is equal to 2, D is equal to 1. Saran, which answer you are getting? Ashit C, Rajvarma B. Let's check this out. Acha, order is 2 and degrees 1. That's what you are saying? Okay, now I understand, Tarun. Now you see how many arbitrary constant does it has? Yesterday we did it now, 4by plus 4b square. How many arbitrary constant does it has? Can somebody tell me? Only one na, b is only one. This constant does not have any meaning. So only one arbitrary constant we'll have. So it is a first order differential equation. A cannot be the answer. Okay. So I differentiate both sides with respect to x. So I get 2x is equal to 4b dy by dx. This derivative would be 0 only. 2 I'll cancel with this. So b I'll get as x upon 2 dy by dx. I can write it as y dash. Isn't that right? So once I get b, I put it back in the equation. Which equation? This equation. So what do I get? X square is equal to 4b. b is x upon 2y dash into y plus 4 b square. B square is x upon 2y dash whole square. Is that right? So what do I finally get? X square is equal to, this 2 will cancel with this. I'll get xy 2 upon y dash plus, here I'll get 4 and 4 would get cancelled because 2 square is there. I'll get x square y dash square. Am I right? So the differential equation would finally become y dash square. I'll take LCM and y dash square I'll multiply it here. So what do I get? X square y dash square. Here the and here when LCM will be taken, it would be multiplied by y dash. So 2xy into y dash plus x square. I hope you understand. Is that x square or 3? Where beta? X square only. Square. Yes, Chinmaya, this is square. Okay. Sir, in the previous question you did a mistake, Saran. What mistake I did, beta? Saran? 1 by root 2 is the right answer I got. Which mistake I did? Can you please elaborate, Saran? Kanagavel C. Acha, here option x square I'll divide, or maybe x I'll divide. है ना? Here which answer we are getting? We'll divide by x, so we get x y dash square is equal to 2y y dash plus x. This is what we'll get. We'll divide by x. Okay. So which is the answer we are getting? X y dash square plus x plus 2y y dash. B is the right answer. Okay. Can you tell me, Saran? You were saying something. I did some mistake. Okay. Can I move on to the next question, students? Yes. Come on. Into the last portions of the today's session. We are into the last portions almost. So let's do this question fast. Okay. B and D are same. Where B and D are same? You're talking of the previous question, huh? Tell me. Yeah, you're right only. B and D are same. You're right. I accept this mistake. Right. Next topic would be vector algebra galaxy 005. It would be vector algebra. Saran, no problem, beta. So B and D are same. So here we have some typing error. So, but the method is this only. Have you understood? So can I move on to the next question? Yes, Jayant, I agree. D is also the right answer. So let's move on to the next question. Sanskriti, I'm showing the question. The curve amongst the family of curves responded by the differential equation x square minus y square dx plus 2xy dy is equal to 0, which passes through 1 1. What type of curve is this? Tarun, you are giving me answer to this question. Raj Verma, B. You are getting answer to this question. Okay, you have already done. Tarun, you are getting B. Okay. So how do we do this question? We have Yes, students, I want more answers. Yes, please do it. Tarun, yes, you're okay. Chinmay Joshi, yes, tell me. Krishnaveni, please explain fourth line. X square upon 2xy. Can I write like this? Because when I divide the whole equation by dx and take this term on the right hand side, then instead of x square minus y square, it will become y square minus x square. Okay. So this is a homogeneous equation. So I'll have to substitute what y is equal to vx. है ना? So y is equal to vx. I'll take. So I'll get dy by dx is equal to v. I'll apply UV rule here. V. This we did yesterday. V plus x dv by dx. This method we explained it in great detail yesterday. So dy by dx I'll substitute here as v plus x dv by dx, and this is equal to y. Instead of y I'll substitute v. It will become v square x square minus x square upon 2x vx. So I find that, acha sir, you were Chinmay, you were speaking for the previous question. So I cannot get the fourth line what you were referring to. So from the offline video when it would be available right now after the lecture, you can look at it. Okay, Chinmay? So x square I'll cancel. So what do I get? X dv by dx, v square minus 1 by 2v, and this v goes on the right hand side, it becomes minus v. Huh? So what does it become? Minus 2v squared. So it becomes minus v square, I'll take common, plus 1. Is it okay, students? It's not homogeneous. It's variable separable form. How it is variable separable form, students? This is not a variable separable form. Hello? It's homogeneous only. This is second degree, this is second degree, this is second degree. Right only. Now I'll separate the variables. It will become 2v upon v square plus 1 dv, and I'll get minus dx by x plus c. Is it okay? Yes, Gyanvi, B you are getting. Okay. So the derivative of v square plus 1 is 2v. है ना? So I can straight away integrate it ln of v square plus 1. Am I right? And this would be minus ln of x. I hope everybody understand this. Tomorrow we are going to revise vector algebra. Huh? The full vector algebra we'll revise, and especially we'll focus on linearly dependent variables and linearly independent variables, because this is something which the students miss quite a lot. Okay, then I'll substitute v back. So I'll get v as y square plus x square by x square. After substituting y by x, I took the LCM. Okay, minus ln of x plus c. So this becomes ln of y square plus x square by x square, and I take this ln x on the right hand side. Ln x is equal to c. Is it okay? Meenakshi, only 2 questions are left. In fact, 1 question is left only. So we have this y square plus x square by x square, and this x would get multiplied because ln of a plus ln of b is ln of ab. So x square plus y square upon x square into x is equal to c. This x and this x would get cancelled. Is it okay? Now I move on to the next slide. So what do we have basically? We have which step we were at? We were at ln of y square plus x square. One of the x was cancelled in the denominator, and this was what I was left with. Yes, vectors I'll take in detailed way, no doubt about that. We'll do quite a bit in scalar STP, scalar triple product, vector triple product, 4 vectors product, and so on and so forth. Okay. So then I change it into exponential form. Y square plus x square by x is equal to e raised to power c. E raised to power c would be nothing but another constant k, let us say. So y square plus x square is equal to kx. Am I right? Now some initial value problem is given or what? No, acha, this is, which curve is this? X square plus y square minus kx is equal to 0. We have already done circles. It's a circle with center at x-axis. It's an equation of a circle. Circle with center at x-axis because y coefficient of y is 0. Okay, so what is the answer we are getting? I think B part, circle with center on the x-axis. B part would be the right answer. Okay, students, I hope everybody understands this. Yes, B is the right answer, option 2. Okay, now can I move on to the next question? Can I move on to the next question? Yes, Tarun. Who else is giving me a node? I'll move on to the next slide once again. I hope everybody understands the solution. Hardik Jain, last question. I'll see, I think one more question is there. So this is penultimate question. Okay. So let's look at this. dy by dx is equal to xy upon x square plus y square. y1 is 1. And the last question is very important to students. Don't miss the last question. It's on exact differential. So this is the penultimate question, second last question. After that, there is one more question that is on exact differential. So please don't miss that question. Okay. Just have the patience to finish the class. Just have the patience for the class to finish. Okay. Tarun, C you are getting. Okay. You, as always, you are pretty fast. And I would again ask you to check your calculation. Rajvarma C under root 2e. That's what you are getting. Okay. Ashmit. Okay. Kanagavel linear differential equation. Is it a linear differential equation? Don't you find it a homogeneous equation? Kanagavel, you're getting C. And who else is going to give me the answer? Sanjay, B. Yes, Krishnaveni, y is equal to Vx, you will substitute. Sanjay, you are getting B. Okay, let's check this out. Again, we'll make the substitution y is equal to Vx. So we'll get, because it's homogeneous equation, this is of second degree, 1 plus 1. And this is second degree, this is second degree. Tarun, now you are getting D. You keep on changing, son. Lakshmi Menon D. Okay, let's check that out. So here we have dy by dx. V plus x dv by dx. Okay. Having done this, we do it v plus x dv by dx, and we substitute y is equal to vx. So I get vx. Here I get x square, and here I get v square x square. X square can be taken common and cancelled. So what do I get? X dv by dx is equal to v 1 plus v square, and v I have taken from the left hand side to the right hand side. What finally do I get? D is the correct answer. Tarun, let's see. So x, please don't make, yes, yes, Hardik, that's better. Don't make fun of anyone. I just wanted Tarun to, I just want Tarun to improve upon, because his impulse takes off, Snigdha, you are getting D. Okay, 1 plus v square. His razor sharp intelligence is there with Tarun. So v and v gets cancelled. Now this becomes variable separable form. I'll take 1 plus v square on the other side and v cube here dv, and minus is here dx upon x plus c. So this can be written as 1 by v cube plus 1 by v, and I need to integrate it, and this is minus ln of x plus c. Am I right? Now 1 by v cube, what would be the integral of this? This would be minus 1 by 2v square. Am I right? Krishnaveni, you are saying something? Huh, right only. And here integral of 1 by v would be ln of v, and here ln of x I take it on the left hand side, ln of x equal to c. Okay. Now ln of x and v, this would give me minus 1 by v I'll substitute as y by x, so I'll get minus x square by 2y square, and this ln of v plus ln of x, this would add, I'll get ln of vx, that's equal to c. Am I right? So I go to the next page. So students, I hope you are waiting for the answer. So let's check this out. What was previously I was getting minus x square by 2y square plus ln of vx. Ln of vx is y, ln of y, that's equal to c. So vx I substituted as y. So this is what I get. Now what is the condition which is given to me, that for what value it is equal to e. So x I need to find, y is e. So minus x square upon 2e square plus ln of e. Acha, by the way, c how will I find? Acha, the condition is given. Some condition is given. y1 is 1. I know this is already given. Sorry, so I'll just rub this step first, and then I'll calculate the value of c. Okay, it is not getting. So students, first of all, I'll get the value of c. So how do I get? y1 is equal to 1 is given. So minus 1 by 2 plus ln of 1 is equal to c. Ln of 1 is 0. So minus 1 by 2 I get. So what I put it back, minus x square 2y square ln of y is equal to minus half. Is that okay? Now I put this condition. X I have to calculate for which y is e. So minus x square by 2y square, that is 2e square, plus ln of e is equal to minus half. So ln of e is 1. So minus this minus gets cancelled. So I get x square is equal to e square. 2 will go on the other side. So finally, what do I get? Ln of e is 1. Sorry, this is 1. I missed it. So 1 I'll subtract it here. Just a slight mistake and the whole question is wrong. So the whole question becomes wrong. This is ln of e, that is 1. And you see, we lose time also if we do a mistake. Ln of e is 1, and this is minus half. So what do I get? I get 1 will go on this side. It will become minus 3 by 2. So minus x square by 2e square is equal to minus 3 by 2. Now am I right? Minus minus cancels. So x square is 2 also gets cancelled. So 3e square. So x is plus minus e root 3, but I think only positive value we have to consider, so we get e root 3. Am I right? So let's check what answer do we get. So we get the answer as A. Huh? We get the answer as A. I hope everybody understood the method. I hope this is okay with the students. Raj? Yes, you got the answer as A. So we move on to the next question. Last question of today's lecture. Are you all ready? Hello, Sanskruti. Are you ready? Last question. Let's move on to the last question. So that's an exact differential. The general solution of the differential equation, x y square minus x cube. Mark it before you make a mistake. I should already mention it is y square minus x cube, so it is not homogeneous. Dx minus xy dy is equal to 0. Okay, solve it. So not show question. Raj, what happened? I haven't shown the question. Question is not visible to you. That's what you are saying. QUS question is not looking. I didn't get you, beta. Buffering. Okay, you mean to say buffering. So it must be internet problem from your side. My Wi-Fi is working solid. It's working very fine. So please wait while your connection becomes good. Okay. My Wi-Fi is my internet speed is superb here. No problem. So students, let's look at this question. How do we do this? We have here the what we'll do. We'll take y square. I'll open it first of all. Y square dx minus x cube dx minus xy dy is equal to 0. Okay. Now from these two terms, I'll take y common. So what do I have? Y dx minus x dy. Now the last formulas which I showed you yesterday, Lakshmi Menon, you are getting D, Ashish Shikhar B. Lakshmi Menon, you want to change your answer? Ashish Shikhar B, Tarun D, Krishnaveni D, Lakshmi Menon B. Okay. So I take, in these two terms I take y common, and x cube dx I take it on the other side. Okay. Now I divide by x here. So y by x, y dx minus x dy, and x square would be remaining when x is taken here. That x square I write it here. So the whole x cube has been exported towards the left hand side. Is it okay? Lakshmi, be confirmed. Very good. That's the spirit I want. So how you can write this? This is nothing but d of y by x. Is it right? So we integrate both sides. So when we integrate y by x with respect to y by x only, so I'll get y by x whole square by 2. And here, minus sign mistake I've made, because here it would be, this thing should be positive and this thing should be negative. So minus sign would come. So minus is here. Okay. And then dx integration would be x and c is c. Now some condition I must have been given. General solution of the differential equation where c is a constant. No, I'll get the answer in terms of c. Okay. So what do I get? I'll multiply by minus. So I get y square 2x square is equal to minus x minus c. है ना? So finally what do I get? Y square is equal to 2x cube, that's with a minus sign, and I have minus c, I can write it as plus c as well. So it is k 2x square. Okay, 2k I can write it as a simple same constant. Let's say k. So what do I finally get? I get y square plus 2x cube minus kx square is equal to 0. But when minus would be taken in considered in k itself, so that constant I can include with a minus sign. So I'll get y square plus 2x cube, and I can write c or anything if I wish, lambda. Lambda is minus k itself. So this is what I get. So whether the constant is c or lambda, it hardly matters. So what is the answer we are getting? Here I am getting 2y square 2x cube cx square. B is the right answer. Okay? Okay, students? I hope you understand. Yes, Hardik, Ashish Shikhar. So very well done. Claps to all of us. We have finished with uh, the portions here. Please don't remark personally. Huh? Yes, Tarun? Thank you. Thanks, Ashish Shikhar. Okay. Yes, my pleasure, Ashish Shikhar. Thank you, Raj Verma, for your appreciation. So see you tomorrow at the same time, 8:30. We'll be revising vectors. Huh? Welcome, most welcome, Lakshmi. Sanjay, welcome. Tarun, welcome, beta. So let's finish the session today. Bye. Sanskruti, okay. Bye.